Welcome to Lake University's video tutorial on how to use Collaborate for your classroom. The following topics will be covered during this presentation. On the Blackboard Collaborate page, the hamburger menu above the course room provides everyone enrolled in the course access to the recordings. To immediately view a recorded session, simply click on the room link and then watch the Now button. The recording itself will load into a new tab. So moderators can download a transcript of the chat session once the recording has been processed. To do so, launch the session recording, then select the Download Chat option. This will download the transcript into a text file that can be opened in Microsoft Word or some other simple text editor for review. Now, recordings can take approximately 24 hours to process and appear in the queue, although the times have been much faster as of late. The recordings menu only shows the past 30 days of recordings. If you don't see a recording from earlier in the term, try searching for the recordings in a range option. While very rare, if you don't see your recordings listed, you will need to contact the IT help desk to see if it can be recovered. The link to create a help desk support ticket can be found in the About Collaborate content area. Now, for each recorded session, several options will be available by selecting the Recording Options link to the right of each particular recording. Instructors can download the session as an MP4 file, edit the recording's name, delete it, copy a link to use elsewhere, and add a caption source later on. Students will only have two options: to immediately watch the recorded session or to download the file. Now, the session attendance reports is under the three dots or options, and then view reports. And it provides an overview of when attendees joined and left sessions. It also gives you an idea of how long attendees were present in the session on average. If your sessions are used more than once, there is a report for each time it was used, as indicated by the date and timestamp. So let's look at the session from today. You can see I had 7 attendees. We did include a poll, which we covered in an earlier video. And the session lasted 3 hours and 48 minutes. So if we look at that report, we can see that there were some instances where Bailey and Raven and Naya and even Allie had some different joins. They had some connection issues on their end. So to see exactly, they were in there for a total of 1 hour and 20 minutes was Bailey. But to see more exact statistics, you just expand it out and you can exactly see what their total time was per their session. Now you are able to download this report to a CSV file for use in Excel. So the best way to become a Collaborate expert is to repeatedly practice using its basic functions at home prior to the start of class. As you get more comfortable, branch out and make use of more features. Now to see what a participant experience is like, select the copy button near the guest link, URL generator in the course room options to create a guest link to email to yourself or someone else. You could also simply just copy and paste it into an incognito browser. This is a great way to test out both moderator and participant views. Students have commented that the following uses of Collaborate by previous instructors have made the live sessions more meaningful than simply being used as a lecture platform. Establish expectations etiquette for all participants regardless of how they choose to attend class. Have live students mute their microphones until they are prompted to speak. Be cognizant of live students as well as those attending on ground. Listen for audio notifications from live participants such as a raised hand or chat message posting. Students attending a class synchronously using their live option have the same expectations for participation as if the student attends the class on ground. And student viewing of a recording does not count as class participation, and discussion board requirements must still be met each week if the student doesn't attend synchronously. Instructors will be setting up their own nightly sessions regardless of location. It is important to understand that Lakeland University doesn't actually host any Collaborate sessions on its servers. Collaborate uses Amazon Web Services to host all of Lakeland's live sessions out of a server facility in Virginia. While it is rare, many factors can affect a session's connection status that aren't controllable by Lakeland University. If you are having connection issues loading your Collaborate session, please keep trying to reload the session using Chrome as the primary browser. If you are not able to log into Blackboard or access some other website, then you'll need to determine if your ISP connection is functioning properly. If teaching from a center location, please review the equipment troubleshooting video for simple steps how to fix an inoperative camera, non-responsive touchscreen, and to gain a general understanding of the Extron control panel buttons functionality. If teaching from a specific center location, the wireless microphone is designated as a primary audio source and should be worn each session, as it will provide better clarity than the ceiling microphones. When finished, please set the wireless microphone properly in the charging stand for the next session's instructor. For those teaching an online live course, the use of a headset with noise-canceling microphone is strongly encouraged, as it is by students, to reduce unwanted background noise on the recording. If you notice that any classroom furniture equipment is missing or broken, please report to the center staff as soon as possible. As blended live instructors are teaching at one of the center locations using Lakeland University equipment, there will be several support options. Monday through Thursday evenings between 5:30 and 8:30, there will be a Collaborate support technician who will be able to answer your questions and provide remote assistance if needed. Most live classrooms will have a phone that you can direct dial 1170 to speak with a technician. If you don't need immediate assistance, but would still like someone to contact you through a chat message, please use the Collab Assist button on the Extron panel. This will generate an IT help desk ticket associated with your classroom. So someone from the Collaborate support team can initiate a TeamViewer chat session for you to respond to at your earliest convenience without disrupting class. If you close this chat panel, the technician cannot help you. Students logging in from home should refer to the self-help documentation available in the About Collaborate content area in their course shell. If you still need additional assistance, please submit a help desk ticket using the link provided in the About Collaborate content area. Now, those teaching from home in the online live format have some different assistance options. If you are teaching from home, please refer to the self-help troubleshooting documentation available in the About Collaborate content area in your course shell. If you still need additional assistance, please submit a help desk ticket using the link also provided in the About Collaborate content area. This concludes this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Director of Professional Design at the email address on the screen.